My dear students, welcome back you all to my classes. The last class I have given you some homework. Just few number of students have done this. Most of the students didn't completed the homework. It is very shameful. If you don't do your homework, then I will be bound to impose some fine or some punishment on you. In the last class, I have completed up to that much Gigantic Zoo, and now the rest of the chapter I am going to discuss the people of the Congo. People of Congo are mostly living nearby the river of Congo. Their villages are scattered. They belong to various tribes, and most of them are Bantu speaking people. Bantu. You can see the word. This is very important. Most of the people are Bantu speaking people who belong to the Bantu tribe. They are quite tall and sturdy. They are very dark. You can see their color and pictures there, and their livelihood also you can see on the picture. So this type of people used to eat, mostly they collect fruits, roots, and all these things. And they are a tribe. They are a type of people who can collect till today. So they are collecting fruits and roots and hunting animals. By this way, they are spending their own life. So, not all, but these are some tribes in Congo who is living just like nomadic tribes. Their occupation, farming is their main occupation in Congo. Farming is the main occupation of Congo. The people of Bantu tribe are usually engaged in farming. They practice shifting agriculture. The main crops grown by them are rice, maize, millet, and vegetables. These are the main foods, main crops: rice, maize, millet, and vegetables. Besides this, they also cultivate rubber, cotton, and all these things. They also export these things to another place of the world, and usually they live in a small houses, which is made by the leaf of various type of trees. This is how they stay, and their occupation is mainly, I discussed that their main occupation is agriculture. Keep it in your mind. Now, industries. Congo is not so famous for industries because the Congo is very famous for mining. Mining means, just like mining, the mining means, if I say in Bengali, that just like koilar honey or anything, something which is you can go under the underground and find something, find out, just like coils and so many things. So the Congo is very famous for diamonds, very famous for diamonds and cobalt ore. These are the very famous, and also many other minerals also found in Congo. So the main occupation is mining. People mine the diamonds from the deep of the ground. It is the main occupation. And industry, there is not so much industries, but nowadays government is trying to establish some industries so that people get engaged on these industries, and also for the benefit of their local people. Government is trying to build some new industries. Now, transportation and communication facilities are not well developed in Congo because the thick dense forest. I discussed it. The dense Because of the dense forest, people are unable to make road in between the forest. So usually people go through the rivers. So transportation is not so good. Road and railway serves a few cities only and are not well maintained. So the Congo River is used to transportation on a large scale. Boat and steamer are the chief means of transportation. The chief mean of transportation is boat and steamer. But in some places, waterfalls and rapids interrupt the navigation of the river Congo. Now the region is progressing. Railways have been developed in the southeastern part of the country because there are some places which the water speed is very high, or some because of some waterfall it is very difficult to go through these places on the river. So nowadays government is trying to set up railways. Most of the cities are already covered by railways, and people used to go by the rail. So basically, we found that Congo is not so well developed in transportation. Till today, people are depends on boat and streams, the important cities. Kinshasa, it is the capital of Congo. Bukavu and Matadi are the major cities of Congo. Kinshasa is the largest city. Bukavu is the famous tourist place. It is famous for beautiful Lake Kivu. Kivu Lake, it is very important. And if you want to see the Kivu Lake, you search on Google, you will find it. It's very beautiful. Matadi is the biggest seaport, and it is the chief source of export and import. So these three cities are the very important in Congo. So with this, our chapter is over, and question answer is already given to you. So you have to memorize the question answers, all the question answers. So now I am going to give you the homework. In the last class, I have given you the first chapter to memorize first chapter and send it to my WhatsApp number after writing it without watching your copy. So you didn't done it. Now you have to complete chapter 1 2 question answers. Write it on your rough copy and send it to me. If you don't send, maybe what I will do, I don't know, but I will impose any kind of punishment. Thank you.